pretty good. Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's good.
We're here at the Don Quijote mega store. The store is nuts. They have anything and everything in it. Things you'll never see in the world other than here.
We got 16,000 yen, which is about $100 US. Gonna give it to Wink. He's gonna do his thing in there, get some snacks and all types of other shit.
Let's go.
Having fun? This is crazy. You gotta get me out of this area. I'm gonna spend all my money. Whoa. Ooh, strawberry one. Sake wrapped in gentle sweetness of white chocolate. Yep. Elegant taste of wrapped, gentle, sweet, white chocolate, satisfying flavor of sake.
You might have found the next snack for you.
Oh, throw them in there. Whoa.
It's a cherry blossom in jelly.
We're gonna need a couple of those. What is these? Don't know, but I want it. Whoa, what's this aisle? Uh-huh.
What's your favorite kind of snacks, candies?
Chocolate by far. But come on now. Everything. Anything with sugar, and you got me. Whoa. This is sick. Fruit, banana, choco mochi. I don't know, I'm trying to calculate how much money I have in here, but I don't even know.
I'm gonna need you to close your eyes. I'm gonna have to take you to the next section. All right, eyes are closed. Okay, let's go. All right, and you're just gonna grab whatever you think you really want. You got yourself some little oysters or something.
Don't know what those are, I'm just grabbing. We might need another bag. Scallops, perfect.
Yeah.
Soft cheese scallops.
We use Google Translate to translate everything that we see that we have no idea that we're buying.
Oh, just grab a fucking bunch of these, huh? Every flavor. Let's try them all out. Tomato, that's gnarly.
I'm gonna go with the basket's full. That might be mission success.
Yeah, maybe just
If we
throw a
get a
couple
bit of
more things
change.
in there, huh? Yeah, you're right. Get a few change. That won't be bad.
That's not bad.
All right. I think we're good, huh?
If you're gonna send him downstairs, he's gonna have to pay tax on that. It's just too much.
Something should be minus from your 384.
Okay, anything. Cool. This guy's the homie.
Yeah, that's what's up.
He does.
Okay. 45. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yummy.
What happened to taking them to the candy section? What part of that did that not break down into the translation? Did you get Kit Kats?
We did, but they were too much, so we left them. Ready for breakfast?
Cool.
Ooh. Pikachu for you. Pikachu for you. Pikachu's all around.
Gluten-free, sugar-free.
Gluten-free, non-GMO. This is coffee.
Good warm up.
Brought out the big guns.
Do your first taste.
What the hell?
Tyga, how do you eat this? Are we sure they're not just like water balloons?
No, it's muscat. You eat it.
Thoughts on it? Good?
It's pretty good.
Oh, there it is. Keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth. Keep it in your mouth.
Yeah, it's good. I think it's time to whip these ones out.
No!
What is it?
Cheese scallops.
That will focus the entire trip. There's no way.
Oh, it is, Rob.
You eat it yet?
Rob, you're gonna love it.
It's taking you so long.
Not that bad.
It's delicious. Check this. So good. Mmm.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, sheep. You're eating it wrong. You just bit, all you bit was the cheese. This is looking real good. Fish eggs, chocolate fish eggs. Ooh, yum.
Much better.
That was very good.
I want to eat more in a while.
What is that thing?
Umai bo. All right. The hell?
Okay, now I'm even more confused at what it is.
You tried it?
I don't like it.
You look like you got an onion puff. Is that onion?
Yeah, this one's onion for sure.
Teriyaki?
Look at f***ing Rob's pile over there. He's not even eating anything.
I've nibbled them all.
He didn't even eat anything.
I've nibbled them all.
Everything I had is gone. I know exactly the order we're gonna do the last couple ones. Ooh, okay. I'll try this one. Yeah, here you go. I'll give you something good. Here you go, Rob. Does it smell like your dog's breath?
This one is good.
Anybody want popcorn? This is fire. Sake flavor.
Oh, whoa, it's really
Ooh,
coming.
sake Kit Kat.
I'm not gonna lie. It tastes like a Kit Kat with spray paint spray on it.
Spray paint.
All right, well, last but not least,
For the grand finale.
probably the most painful thing we're gonna taste.
You guys are gonna love
Put the team on your back right now and do it.
There's no way.
It's so gross that I'm not gonna have it, dude.
What?
Come on, dude. At least touch it.
Come on.
Well, the deal with the high shoes is you only get one of these if you eat one of these.
Yourself. Come on.
That's the deal.
Can you eat the tail, dude?
I put the whole thing in my mouth. I think so. Whoa. Yeah, what's in the middle? You're good. Save some for later.
What was your favorite things that you guys had? Everyone say their favorite.
The fish.
I like the Pokemon cookies and the banana mochis. Those are sick.
I think the this thing. The cheese puff, that was good.
Take that back home.
Haichu. Yes. Coca-Cola. Yeah.
I only successfully ate the entire like all the iChews.
That little, whatever it was, little orange candy.
Cheese scallop.
The fish was insane. The smell coming off that thing was psycho. And I love fish. I feel like if I ate that, I might become vegan. And I didn't want to do that.
I feel like I could swim so much faster after eating that fish. I hold my breath longer than all you guys now.
All right, let's go hit the streets while we still got a little bit of time left before the demo. Thanks for tuning in. Tap that subscribe button. come on back for another episode.